Dr. Moonway, I am sorry that it has taken me so long to get this video to you, but here we go. Okay, I'm going to log into the the lab environment right now. And as you can see, I'm going to type in my credentials. Password. Okay, go to open enrollment course. Okay, I'm going to go to the last lab that we did before week 6 began, which was lab 5. I'm going to open this. Start lab. Okay, we gotta wait 2 minutes for the lab environment to load, so just bear with this. This only should take about a few minutes because the problem actually occurs like in the first few steps of the lab. Just waiting for this to load, Doc. By the way, I know you deal with a lot of students. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself, but this is Shanta Travis, the same guy that's been coming to you complaining about these labs and how they're misbehaving. All right, here we go. Let's enter this lab. No, it seems like it takes a long time for it to load, but it's actually not that bad once we get into it. Hmm. I don't know why this is taking this long to load today. It usually doesn't take this long, but just bear with me. I want you to see this. I'm gonna refresh the page and hope that helps. Yeah, it did. Okay, here we go, Doc. Okay, now I'm gonna go to section 1 right here. You can see on the left hand side, section 1, and I'm gonna go to part 1. Okay, now here are the instructions right here, Doc. Now I'm gonna go down to the first step on the workstation taskbar. Click the Internet Explorer icon to open up a web browser. Internet Explorer is right here. Okay, now we got that. I'm gonna clear this out of the address bar so I can type in the link that they asked me to, which is owasp.org. O W A S P dot O R G. I'm gonna press enter. It's gonna take me to the OWASP page, home page. Here we go. All right. Now, for starters, as you can see, they give me a picture of how it is supposed to look, but I went to owops.org and this is what I got. This is the page that it took me to, but this is the page that they're saying I'm supposed to be viewing, but it's not. Okay, so that's the first problem. Now, back to the instructions. As it says in step 3, in the Welcome to OWASP section of the page, click the Software Assurance Maturity Model link. Okay, there, first of all, there's no Welcome to OWASP on this page. 'Cause I believe these instructions are either old and older than the software is, so that's why I'm not getting the links and the things that the instructions are telling me that I'm supposed to be seeing. And I'm showing you the whole page. There's nothing that says Welcome to OWASP. I've looked over everything. Over here on the left column, there's nothing. But I was able to get around this doc by simply going up here in the search bar and typing what it told me to find these links. I typed in SAMM, all caps. You know, I mean, everybody wouldn't know to do this. I mean, they're just following the instructions. I mean, I'm not trying to brag, but I'm a little tech savvy, so I actually knew what to do. So, and then the next step, okay, the quick start guide. As you can see in the right navigation page, click the quick start guide link for version. Okay, I'm showing you everything. There is no quick start. Not for that version at least, I'm sorry. But okay, quick start guide. And then I open and this is what I get. Okay, and when you try to download these PDFs to the workstation, it will not let you because for some reason, this is actually to my desktop, but it wants me to load it to the VM workstation desktop. So that was another problem. See, it's loading to my desktop, as you can see down here, I'm showing you. Okay, so that is two problems right there just in the first few steps that I showed you. Okay, so in the PDF file, I'm going to navigate to page 3 like it said. Page 1, 2, 3. Okay, review the quick start guide. Okay, that's cool, but here we go. See, I'm all the way on page 6 now. You see, this is what I should have seen, but it wasn't there. I'm gonna scroll back up just to show you that I'm not missing anything. You're seeing the same thing that I'm seeing, Dr. Moonlight. Okay, I'm gonna go back. As you can see right here, the page numbers is right there. But there's no, that illustration right there is not there, so I can't review it. Okay, and that's, now if you want me to keep going, I will. There's actually a few more bugs in this lab, but I think I illustrated enough to show you that there are some problems. So I'm going to end this right here, and hopefully, you can get this up to corporate and they can make some changes and solve this so we won't have these problems anymore. Okay, ending this right now.